Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to delete Pocket Option account. So let's dive in. Now, if for some reason you want to delete your Pocket Option account or just create a new one, here's how to do it. First of all, go ahead and pull up Pocket Option website and then log in to your account. Then on the home page, you want to click on your profile icon, which can be found at the upper right corner of the screen. This one. So you want to click on this. Then from the menu, you want to click on profile. Wait for it to load. What you want to do on this first page, which is under profile, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And from here, you will be able to see the option to completely delete your account. So just click on that one and confirm, and your Pocket Option account will be deleted. That easy. And now you know how to delete Pocket Option accounts in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!